Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a tricky GMAT math problem on averages. Let's make it simple. Take a moment to read the problem carefully before we break it down step by step. Now let's designate the values with letters. To solve the task, it is important to remember that an average is the sum of values divided by the number of these values. Using this, we calculate the total sum for each group. The total sum of all 7 numbers is 20 times 7 equals 140. The total sum of the first 4 numbers is 19 times 4 equals 76. The total sum of the last 4 numbers is 24 times 4 equals 96. Notice that the fourth number is counted twice, once in the first 4 numbers and once in the last 4 numbers. Since the sum of all 7 numbers is 140, and the sum of the first 4 is 76, while the sum of the last 4 is 96, we find the overlap by adding the sums together. But we know the total sum is only 140. This means the fourth number is counted twice, creating an extra amount of 32. Thus, the fourth number is 32. The correct answer is C. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more GMAT tips. See you next time.